Nice, I love it, guys. So basically, this one is going to be a very easy recipe to make at home. It's going to be a apple with spinach. Right here, I have roughly about a handful of spinach inside of this blender right here, and I'm going to get some apple to put inside of it. All right. So this is just some leftover apple which I did have earlier, and I decided so I'm going to use them up. So basically, I'm using the green apple. I love apple juice, guys. Honestly, it's like, to me, it's just amazing. Apple with spinach and ginger. Wow. So just blend up everything, you know? Yeah. Now we're gonna get a piece of ginger. And put straight inside of it, just like this. If you have lemon or lime, please use what you have, alright? Squeeze half a lime or lemon. That is lovely and nice. Alright, now you can use organic honey or you can just use a natural honey which you have at home. Alright, let's put a teaspoon. Some water. Cover. And now we're gonna just blend for about 2 to 3 seconds. Nice and lovely. So basically I just blend them up lovely and nice, and this is it right here. Wow, smell lovely. Yeah, that's exactly what me I talk about. Yeah, this one now, guys, is just a lovely recipe where you can make at home and also detox your body, you know what I mean. Lovely, healthy green smoothie recipe, guys. So simple but also effective. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time in the kitchen with some more recipes and ideas from Chef Ricardo and the team. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Tell a friend, and also a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.